Because of insecurity in the land, one of the Igbo community have called on their native doctors to come and protect them. Things are happening. Tinubu palliative, one of their person don't come outside, they cry you, no be small thing. More Igbo property will be destroyed in the state called Lagos State, especially their business in Aladipo, said Nnamdi Kanu, or one of his old brokers, and his prophecy is coming to pass. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, I don't know what you are waiting for, or you never follow this channel in our Facebook as well, please do so. Don't forget to turn your notification bell so that you will get our update immediately we will drop our video. Okay, let's jump into the Ogbonge news we will get for hand today. Remember some years back, Nnamdi Kanu has made some brokers, and he will always leave one prophecy, and the thing will finally come to pass. Nnamdi Kanu warns the Igbos against investing in Lagos. Tell them to take their wealth back home, that very soon they will cry for their properties. And it is happening in Nigeria today. So they say one of Igbo community have called out on their native doctors to protect them, to make a spare, so that cast a spare on their roads, so that anybody who is any thief, criminal, whatever, kidnappers in that place, once you come that side and kidnap, they will catch you. So we are going to bring the video up for you to watch. And before we proceed in other news, we will get for hand. Stay tuned and watch the video.
If I never know what that, I am putting more. I wouldn't know if it is not if I put you more. Okay, let me do it. I am putting more. Don't you know what? Before my mom, I'm going on. Before we look at the what is your blue. So, none of the guys are guy better. So, only one at this time, I'm a big fan. I want you to see us now. I'm on my neighbors, it's not going to do my hand. I'm going to say about you. Jimmy, I will. I'm not going if I could, only a people in the middle of the Yatiti. You go repeat a castle. And the castle, now, President General. And no thought the Lord lifted. No more God if they did an officer. Before you join in an actor of jail, or a motor, you get it up here. When they bury you, when they make it up, you know, when I come out, before joining it, no, one month they made it. If I don't get up, which time I go lift it. I put you in there, I put in here, go lift the deal of Africa. Emma Colocaya, and you will make it. Oh, no, I'm gentleman, I don't look at the result. Yeah, you will have to see my onye ọbụla aka dị na Nnamdi na Oraifite na Arụsị ga-etigbu onye ahụ. Onye ọbụla na-apụ mmadụ ife ya n'ike na Oraifite na Arụsị ga-etigbu onye ahụ. Onye na-esi mba ọzọ abịa eme ife ọjọọ na Oraifite na Arụsị ga-etigbu onye ahụ. Onye ọbụla na-atụ ụmụazị ma ọ bụ okenye na Oraifite na Arụsị ga-etigbu onye ahụ. Onye ọbụla aka dị n'izobe onye dị ime ree nwa ya na Oraifite na Arụsị ga-etigbu onye ahụ. Onye ọbụla aka dị n'igbu onye Oraifite na mba ọzọ bụ onye Oraifite na Arụsị ga-etigbu onye ahụ. Onye Oraifite ọbụla bi na Oraifite ma ọ bụ na mba ọzọ na-agbachiri nwanne ya n'ụzọ ọbụla na Oraifite na Arụsị ga-etigbu onye ahụ. Onye ọbụla na-ezu ohi na Oraifite na Arụsị ga-etigbu onye ahụ. Onye ọbụla na-apụ mmadụ ana ya n'ike na Oraifite na Arụsị ga-etigbu onye ahụ. Onye ọbụla aka ya dị n'ije igbo okwu arụsị ma ọ bụ ụlọ ụka na Oraifite na Arụsị ga-etigbu onye ahụ. N'ife a niile dị n'akwụkwọ a ọsọ ha nwụhụ akpa ndịkọ ma ọ bụ ekele ọma ụka zipụta n'ọkọ n'ozi. Onye ọbụla na-atụ ụmụazị ma ọ bụ okenye na Oraifite na Arụsị niile dị n'Oraifite ga-etigbu onye ahụ. Onye ọbụla na-ezobe onye ọbụla bụ nwanne n'anya ekwu n'ibe na-ese ọ na-afụ ụdara n'aka ọte nkwụ. Why don't you get a bad? But I'm not going to 200 go. No, let me change that. Oh, I'll go where I ask him those channels that I was not. What if you don't walk across the America? Ask him those people. Oh, the angry, the man is I got a year with that. But I don't know the angry man of the academy with the guy. What I see, we are going to know Bruno. Angry as one. Angry as one. Oh, no, no, for no, you're the league. I called him with you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, and for those of you who don't understand Igbo, it's very clear there. They are calling the gods of their land to come and protect them because they feel that the police can't do anything. Even the Nigerian present government in their threatening cannot do anything for them. So this is the reason why they are casting this spell along their roads in order way for the gods of their land to protect them. The question is that Igbos are actually going out of Christianity. It's like, yes, it is happening gradually. However, let us leave our audience to contribute for this matter will they happen. Yeah, my people, let's jump into another Ogbenge news. I'm going to show you the massive demolition going on in Lekki right now in Lagos. And there's a video we're supposed to bring up, unfortunately we couldn't bring it up here. Nnamdi Kanu warns the Igbos not to be investing in Lagos as it is now. Invest in your state, even in your village. Invest in your village. You will not regret it someday. So, most of those houses, their demolition belongs to the Igbos. The question is that when they are selling this land, are they not going about the document, the survey, all the necessary documents required before they sold this land to these people? Did there any compensation? There is any compensation or any token given to them before demolition? The answer is no. So we are going to show you the video for you to see what is going on over there.
Yes. These people are just so heartless. They should even allow them to park at least.
So this is one of the videos that we wish to show you. May you see the level of things will they happen for inside Lagos. If you check very well, all these things where they put down, say this one, that one, nothing happen for that area, but just that they say Igbos are dominating that side and they are bringing in that by all means. So this is the narrative. They would say that it's water is flowing there, it's a way of water, this, that. There's a way they can be Canaan and the thing will move away freely without not touching people's property, or be why are they selling it to people and coming back again to demolish it. So who will speak for the people? Nobody. They are the government. However, let's jump into the next one news. They say one man don't cry, come outside. Say for their full estate, not only one bag of palliative now they give them. How they want to take share them? I beg my people, more what the video, more help them share the palliative.
Black I Sosa. I am the chairman of Shokaye. For now, I am the chairman Shokaye CDA. And I was just at home now, and they brought this for me as palliative for the whole of Shokaye estate. In this estate, we have 147 houses with families and tenants living there. I'm confused now. I don't know how to share this for 147 households in Shokaye Estate. If you guys, the government, I'm talking to Dakpo Abiodun now. If you people know you cannot do something, don't do it. We are not hungry. We are not beggars. So we don't need your rice as palliative. This is not even one bag. This is not up to an eighth of a bag of rice. Tí ó bá ṣe é ṣe, ẹ má force ara yín láti ṣe, à ń ṣe lébi mi báyìí. So èmi aláìkí ń gbé ráìsì padà, kó bá mi gbé lọ fún Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún, kó gbé padà sí ọ̀gá ẹ̀ Tinubu tó rán, kó gbé fún àwọn ọmọ wọn. À ń ṣe lébi, Ọlọ́run ò dẹ̀ ní ṣe wálé lébi. So that is it. We don't need this rice. If you want to give us palliative, don't insult us. This is an insult. Shokaye Estate refused to be insulted. God bless you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, Oga, you thank God say this one even reach una. You get some people will be say they never even get one, even one pieces they not get. So as una many for them, more na share them three pieces. You go reach una. Next time, Mona try vote in Tinubu or vote somebody because you're on a brain. They tell una say na my party because of that you vote wrong person, making come become your leader. Next time, Mona try they put somebody who will get something to offer to the people, not be by name. I'm APC, I'm PDP, I'm this and that. No, Igbo people know they do something like that. if he go see somebody from another party, you know they do well, in own party go support, make him come down. He follow other people they protest, make him come down. Now that's why Igbo land take better pass our own. But on our own, once you there for APC, you see PDP, and I go to argue. Once you there for PDP, you see LP, na problem. So the country no go fit go anywhere, and there's nothing good go fit come aside for inside the country. So Mona try share out one pieces, go reach ona. The people will never still get. Mona they look on get on our own. Hello my people, please share this video and also follow and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.